welcome back to my channel. I am doing a short intro because I really don't know if I filmed an intro or outro for this vlog. It's all over the place, this vlog, so don't mind that, but it's just like a life update video with everything happening, with especially the title that y'all are reading. You all will see that like in the video. Yeah, you all will see that in the video whatever I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm just doing this intro. Welcome to my channel and go watch the video. If you can see, my eye looks like swollen right now, but yesterday I got like a sty kind of thing on my eye in the evening and like maybe some allergic reaction, so again I didn't vlog and I don't know. Yeah, but today I feel so much better and like the thing has decreased, but it's still swollen a little. I am gonna take care of it and I think it should be gone. Like it's almost gone, it's just swollen. But yeah, I took like an allergy medicine and that's what it improved. But vlog, we are actually going for a paddle event. I have never played paddle ever. I know that's like it's the trending thing right now and everyone's doing it, and I have never done it. Like I'm not a big sporty girl, but I'm going for the event today with Sahil, so he's like, you come, it's gonna be fun. So we'll go and see how it goes, and I'll obviously take y'all along. And yeah, that's what my day is looking like. But I hope this like reduces the swelling. It's much better than yesterday for sure, but yeah, and it's not even irritating. Like yesterday it was irritating me, but today I feel normal. It's just swollen. Hi you guys, I am ready for the event and I have worn the cutest outfit, literally the cutest outfit. I don't know how to show y'all, but I think yeah, there was music playing. So wait, oh my god, the light is not so good. And I love like my little makeup and my hair also. I've done like a new kind of hairstyle. I have like tied my hair on a half pony and then did a braid. I'm lately into this look a lot because my hair was like not doing good today, so I'm like I'd rather just tie. And anyways, we're gonna play. So okay, my outfit, this is the top. It's from Life and Jam and it's like a sports bra top. So it's not just a sports bra, but it's fully like a top, so you don't like, you can wear it wherever. And it has like these bell bottom kinda sweatpants. Like how comfy is that? So this is the full outfit. I love it. It's so cute and I'm so excited to go. I also have this, wait, focus, super cute green bag, like to match with my look. So now I'm gonna go and I will obviously take her along, so let's go. Look who's here in his pickleball outfit.
Huh? What did you say?
Pickleball outfit.
Oh.
Yeah. We are going and Sal is gonna teach me how to play. I don't know how to play out.
मैं तो एक ही रीजन से जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि फ्री का रैकेट देने वाले हैं. तो आई लेजिट आई एम गोइंग ओनली फॉर दैट बिकॉज फ्री का रैकेट मिल रहा है एंड आई प्ले रेगुलरली, तो रैकेट काम आ जाएगा.
But I won't give you my racket.
गिव नो यार प्लीज, ऐसा मत.
We are in the mall and we are finding the place. I don't know how there can be a pickleball court in a mall. Like
मेरे को ऐसे चलने में
we are in athleisure wear inside Geo Mall, which is so not it. Trying to find the place though. I don't know how they can have a court in a mall. We have finally found the place and I think we are early, but good, we'll finish and we can leave. Guys, here is the place and we already got like so many pics before people came. Weren't they like so cool?
Yeah, cool. I'm in a cool boy era. भाई मैं एकदम no fucks given वाले zone में.
This is our let's play and I've never played. Please play with me.
Played a lot.
Can we play?
Yeah, we can play, but ऐसा सबको आने तो दो.
अरे we'll play on our own.
अच्छा.
Because of Sahil. Sahil only like won like 4-5 points.
Fat.
I got myself boba tea from Fresh Pick. I am having Thai milk tea after so long. I don't know why. Let's see how it is. And Sahil is getting like a Cadbury shake.
कर रहा है तो
Sal is having a Cadbury shake that he got from there, from Fresh Pick. How is it?
मिड है यार, मैं घर पे सेम बना सकता हूँ.
You always say the same thing for every drink in your vlog. Then why do you buy drinks outside? Don't have na if it's so much this thing.
Do that. बात तो सही है.
Sal is such a like a spoiled person.
But
And I'm having my boba.
you can make home में ना, you can make this घर पे ना.
I can't make it at home. Hi you guys, welcome back. I'm saying welcome back because after that pickleball day, it's been like 4-5 days have passed and I've forgotten about this vlog. I've completely forgotten. I've been like busy with some other stuff and everything's just all over the place, so I forgot about this. But today I am back with it and I think it was good that I didn't vlog because I think today is the best day to vlog. I am going to be taking y'all to a really special place right now. Like this is like so special and y'all are gonna love it. Y'all are gonna be seeing a little bit of it, like not completely. I think y'all know by the title what I'm talking about, but yeah, we're gonna go there and we're just gonna talk there. I'm gonna talk about it over there. So right now I don't want to say a lot. I'm just gonna say that we're gonna go there today. That's on the agenda, and then I don't know what else we're doing, but really excited, and I hope you're also excited in the comments and y'all are getting to see this firsthand. Like my Instagram family has no idea about it. No one knows about it. Like my friends obviously know, but no one on the internet knows about it, and you all get to know about it first, which is insane. Hi guys, I'm ready. I just showered. My parents are already there and I'm gonna go ahead now, so excited, and obviously taking you all along with me. And yeah, this is like, oh my god, I'm like first time I'm doing something like this on the vlog and been keeping this for so long, and now you'll finally get to see. So y'all have understood by now what is it. This is our new house and my family and I are gonna be moving in like very soon. Like everything's being made as y'all, so I gave you all a few glimpses here and there. And yeah, also this is not blue in color, it's just the plastic on it because it's all dusty. But yeah, like everything's being made it's almost done, and maybe very soon, like very soon, I don't want to give a day or something, but we'll be moving in here. And it's a big change for me because I have never lived like in another house except for the one I'm living in right now. Like I've been born there, so all my life I've been there, and like all my family has also lived there. But now all of us are moving to this brand new like house. It's a big, like it's a big thing, and it's a big change, and it's a really good thing. So please do touch wood for me so that everything goes well over here. And yeah, we are so excited for this new chapter. Like I'm going to show you all not everything right now, maybe, but you all will see once I move in. You all will obviously see everything in this house, like everything how it's gonna go. And yeah, I know I said it so casually, but because I know about it since so long, like more than a year or something, it's been in the process. But for y'all it's like too new. But yeah, this is the new update in my life, and I didn't want to make a special video like announcing it like that. I just wanted to drop hints here and there, and so now this I have revealed it to y'all. So now in the coming vlogs I'll vlog little. I'll obviously vlog the whole moving bit and organizing my stuff here, organizing my clothes, everything, my room and all of that. And yeah, I don't know about the house tour or something because obviously it's not my house, it's my family's house, and I want to respect everyone's privacy. But y'all will see the house in my vlog, so I think that's more than enough. But yeah, this is the big news, and yeah, this is like so insane, but I can't believe it. Like it's been in the process for so long, and now finally it's almost done. Like we also had a puja a few days back, so that's done. So that means now we can officially move in anytime. Only little work is left, so once that's done, yay! Guys, we are back from the new house going to our old house. Wow, that's crazy to say on the vlog. But yeah, right now it's just me and my mom, and like maybe we'll go and eat something and then go back home. But yeah, you all saw the glimpses of the house, and yeah, so it's gonna come up soon, and we also gonna be moving soon, and a lot of content related to that is coming up. But y'all tell me, like, what do y'all wanna see? Like a moving vlog, like organizing my cupboard vlog, or like, I don't know, y'all tell me. Like, I have never done this before, so this is all new to me. So you tell me, and obviously y'all will see once we move in, y'all will see more parts of the house. But right now, like, this is all I wanted to show y'all. Like, I've been like not showing y'all this for way too long, like for sure more than a year, right? More than a year? Yeah, for sure more than a year. Like, I've been not showing y'all this, but now finally y'all saw little, and now y'all will see even more. So that's so exciting, and I think the vlogs next month are gonna be very fun. Like, I have some vlog ideas, like, you know, my first week in the new home, or like moving vlog and all of that. So stay tuned for that. For now, let's go and eat something. We are having pav bhaji. Looks good. So today is the next day, and I've just gotten ready, and now we're gonna go to shoot some videos with Sahil for our YouTube channel. If you've not already subscribed to that channel, I think you should do it now, because we are literally posting a lot, and once we hit 10k subscribers, we are gonna be posting our first long format video, and that's not gonna be like take a while. It's gonna happen very soon. So subscribe, and let's go and finish the shoot. I am at Sahil's house shooting. Yeah, and now we are gonna play a fun game where we're gonna guess cheap versus expensive stuff. So let's see if we are able to do it. Round 2 is chocolates. They look same. Let's see.
So you guys know the news
like,
now.
guys, even Sahil has not seen the house, and you all have seen it on the vlog.
Legit, I haven't seen it yet.
Say, what do you feel about that?
Bro, super excited, yeah, but yeah, कांची दूर चली जाएगी भाई अभी.
उतना भी दूर नहीं, little दूर.
I am happy for you, but I'm also a little sad that we won't meet that much because
We will, because
you
we
are
shoot.
moving far, bhai.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. This is like a very special thing that I have shown y'all in the vlog, and I hope y'all liked it. And there's like, this was just a small glimpse. I didn't want to give out a lot because obviously that will happen. I want to show y'all more like in coming up videos. So stay tuned for those videos, and also tell me what y'all want to see, like moving vlogs or anything specific y'all want to see from me, and I'll do that. But yeah, this is like a really special thing, and show your love and support. And yeah, me and my family are so excited for this new chapter in our lives, and like, we're so excited. So yeah, fun vlogs coming up. Anyways, bye.